Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate professional looking profile picture for our resume on Canva mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a design for my resume on Canva, and I'm going to create a professional looking profile picture for this resume. First thing first, guys, we can go to the apps menu on Canva, and then we have to search for the profile photo. Just type profile photo like this, and this one, guys, we have to click on this option, and then we're going to use this feature to generate professional profile picture for our Zoom. Just click on this option, and then I'm going to upload my photo from my gallery. But before it, we can select our identity. We can select female, male, or maybe other, and I'm just going to select female, and then I'm going to choose file from my device. I'm going to select this one, and then we can scroll down and just click on generate. Okay, and we have to wait until the generating process has completed. Okay, and now the profile photo has been successfully generated, and I'm going to check it on my design, and I'm going to replace this photo with my profile picture. I'm going to delete it, delete image, and I'm going to place this photo right here. Okay, and that's done, guys, and that's how we can generate professional looking profile picture for our resume on Canva application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.